Is this the ideal moment to engage in the cryptocurrency market? Let's talk about today's video where we delve into the shadows and reveal what is really going on. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world. This is going to be a wonderful time for Bitcoin since it is now having subsequent uptrends where the green prevails the red. Even though we're seeing some positive data at the moment, I still think it's a good idea to wait and be patient right now, as we haven't yet recovered completely from the recent huge events. Now, some coins are going down, and I'm having second thoughts on the market because of that. And until I see some trust in the market, losing timing in the bottom is a risk that I'm going to take. Moreover, staying in a particular range of value would give us the appropriate time to play our cards right for the crypto market. Aside from this, we have to always take into consideration the DCA or dollar cost averaging, since it is always a good idea when investing. But I'm not willing to put all my eggs in one basket at this time, since we don't know if the current string of events will have any further consequences. It is the first time in history that we have reached this low, but here's the thing. There is a tendency for more bad things to happen. I am not clairvoyant. We cannot see the future, but there is still a little possibility that we need to be prepared for. Despite the fact that we are seeing a downtrend, it does not indicate that this was the entire response or the end of the downturn. This is not the end. This is only the beginning of the end. To put it another way, this downturn is just short-term or temporary. At some point, we hit an all-time high and another at our lowest. But currently, we are continuing in the trend at the bottom level. However, we can view this short-term downtrend as a favorable sign. Now, what do you think caused the recent surge in cryptocurrency prices? Let me know your predictions in the comment section below. As it turns out, Sam Bankman-Fried, also known as SBF, has been rescuing certain crypto enterprises in an effort to avert a full-blown crypto crisis. In order to prevent the crisis from spreading, SBF claimed that he feels that they have a moral obligation to intervene, regardless of whether or not they were part in the event that led to it. But the rumors are claiming an entirely different thing, blaming SBF for the current decline in the crypto markets since they allegedly attacked the Celsius network. Sam countered with a statement saying it was a lie and that they only want to improve the system and not hurt anyone. Now, why do so many people assume that Sam is responsible for the attack on Celsius? To give you a little backstory, Celsius was the first significant player to remove USD from the Anchor protocol, sell, and dump their entire USD when they started to receive a lot of pressure and hold withdrawals. Now, Alameda has not been selling USD and doesn't intend to. When things started to fall, big investors stepped in to attempt to protect Luna. But things didn't go their way, and Luna's value continued to decline rapidly. Basically, all of the investors that were part of the bailout lost hundreds of millions of dollars each, and that includes Alameda, Three Arrows Capital, Galaxy Digital, and Jump Capital. It was such a huge and major loss for them. Fortunately, Celsius backed out early, so they only suffered a little loss compared to those who were part of Luna's bailout. So, Celsius did a pretty good job deciding fast not to bail Luna. It was indeed worth it. Despite having haters that want to destroy Celsius, they also have a good support community that believes they were indeed attacked, not because their system is flawed. To leave things off, remember to succeed in crypto, you must embrace the uncertainty. Even though it may appear difficult at first, it is what's efficient. That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.